This is the Infinix Hot 8, and as you can see, this is one hot device. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Valor Reviews. Now in today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Infinix Hot 8. Shout out to the good people at Infinix for hooking me up with this device. Hashtag Team Frozen. Now let's jump to the unboxing of this phone. Okay, I'm really feeling the green box of the Infinix Hot 8. When you open up the box, the first thing you'll see is the phone. You have the SIM removal tool, an Infinix customer service card, the Infinix X Club pamphlet, which you should join if you own an Infinix device. There are lots of benefits like visiting China, instructions to join the X Club at the back of this pamphlet. You have a transparent CPU case, a Files by Google flyer. By the way, Files is pre-installed on the phone. You also have a screen protector film, a 10 watts charger, micro USB cable, headphones, and that's pretty much it in the box. The phone feels solid in the hand, and I'm feeling the two-tone color at the rear of this device. It has this purple color at the bottom and it fades away into almost black at the top. The design of this phone is pretty cool. The phone weighs in at 179 grams. It's actually 10 grams heavier than phones in its class, and that's because it's packing a whopping 5000 mAh battery, which happens to be the biggest battery offered in a phone by Infinix. On the left side of the device, you have the dual SIM tray and the memory card slot. The memory card is expandable to 256GB, so if you pick up the 32GB variant, don't panic, you have the option to expand your storage. On the top of the device, there's nothing. On the right side, you have the power button and the volume keys. On the bottom, you have the mono speaker that is loud and produces decent sound. You also have the micro USB port, a mic, and headphone jack. Now moving to the front of the device, inside the dewdrop notch, you have a 8 megapixel front-facing camera. At the rear, you have a fast fingerprint reader and a triple camera setup with quad flash. Now let's talk about the display. The Infinix Hot 8 has a 6.52-inch LCD display with 16 million colors. It's a 720p panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It has a screen-to-body ratio of 81% and 269 pixels per inch density. For the price of this phone, which is rumored to be 36,500 naira or $100, it isn't a bad display. If you have small hands and you're bothered about the tall display, the Hot 8 has the one-handed feature, so you're covered in that front. Now moving on to the performance, my variant, which is the 2GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage, is rocking a Mediatek Helio A22 chip. The 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage variant has a Mediatek Helio P22 chip. As you can see, my variant can handle PUBG Lite without any issues and it didn't get warm. You might think using this phone as your daily driver would slow you down, but that's not the case here. Browsing, checking out Instagram, sending emails, watching videos on YouTube, Facebook, they all run without any itch. You might also think that because it has 2GB of RAM, it's going to be a slow device, but that's not entirely true. Contrary to popular belief, RAM doesn't make your phone faster. RAM allows you to run more apps and retain them in the background without having to restart the app when you relaunch it. With the 2GB variant, just don't open too many apps in the background and you'll be fine. For the interface, the Infinix Hot 8 is running XOS Cheetah version 5.0.2 on Android 9. The interface is decent and it runs smooth, but if that's not your cup of tea, you can always smack Nova Launcher on it and customize it to your heart's desire. Call quality is good here. I had no problems at all. Calls were loud and clear and the people I spoke to could hear me without any issue. Now let's move to the cameras. Like I said earlier on, the front camera has an 8 megapixel sensor with a flash. The camera takes good picture for the price of this device, and here are some of the samples. Hello guys, so here's a video from the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 8. It shoots in 1080p and the quality is not bad, as you can see. For the rear cameras, it has a 30 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a VGA low light sensor. Here are some of the samples taken with the cameras. So guys, here's a video from the rear camera. It shoots in 1080p and the quality is not bad. You know, it's a cloudy day and you can see the cloud, so dynamic range on this device it's not bad. There's no form of stabilization, but you just have to be steady. Now the battery on this device is fantastic for the price of this phone. You have a 5000 mAh battery under the hood and obviously it's going to last the whole day. The 10 watts charger that comes in the box would also give you good charging time, and that's a good addition. During my time using this phone, I got 9 hours screen on time on my first charge, and I'm sure it can do better because I downloaded over 30 apps over 4G network to review this phone. So there you have it. For 36,500 naira, Infinix has given us a phone that has a 5000 milliamp battery, and all you have to do is charge it once and go about your day. Throw away your power bank, you're not going to need it with this phone. For the price of this device, the value you get is impressive. The Infinix Hot 8 has a 6.52-inch display that is good for consuming media, playing games, browsing, you name it. It has a good design, decent cameras for the price, a fast fingerprint scanner, and all this for 36,500 naira. If you want to ball on a budget, honestly, you should consider this phone. I'm not sure you get anything better at this price point. So at the end of this video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Infinix Hot 8. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Balo, signing out.